Andi Lew, wellness expert and best-selling author, and what I love about Healthy Roo products is that they're natural, no sugar, vegan, gluten-free, and welcome to Cooking for Wellness. On today's episode, you're going to watch me make my favourite breakfast, which is the Strawberry Cheesecake Bircher, and it's gluten-free. That's because Healthy Roo is also gluten-free and plant-based. So it's something that you can have for breakfast or you can have it as a dessert. Starting off with gluten-free oats, which are actually quinoa oats. So about 1.5 cups of those, and we're going to soak this overnight along with our hero product, which is the Healthy Roo cheesecake, 2 scoops, which is your daily serving of the Healthy Roo protein powder, the cheesecake flavour, which I love the taste of, and it's going to taste really fruity when we dress it up. Then we're going to add some non-dairy milk, so almond milk or rice milk, about 1 cup of that to let it soak. And to give it some more thickness, you can use either yogurt or you can use a gluten-free version. For those die-hard Healthy Roo fans, and you all love vegan protein, then of course choose your coconut yogurt. And now let's get it set in the fridge for a couple of hours or overnight. And now it's nice and cold once you've gotten it out of the fridge, and this is your base, so let's get ready to dress our breakfast. Get some strawberries because that is going to give us the strawberry cheesecake flavour. A little bit of grated apple for some extra fibre. This vegan Healthy Roo protein blend is so low in carbohydrates and much higher in protein. So that's why I like to add a little bit of grated apple. For some added protein, some organic hemp seeds. These look pretty and are so superfood good for you. And I'm a massive fan of good fats from plants. They help your hormones and also fuel your nervous system. So some pistachios. They're beautiful in green colour and just add to the rainbow of this delicious bircher. To finish, some coconut. Of course, cheesecakes are always great with a little bit of coconut. It's vegan, it's gluten-free, and it's packed with goodness. Thanks to Healthy Roo. Enjoy.